would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.
Hello viewers, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. We thank you guys for subscribing and leaving your comments in the comment section. Today we are going to prepare local rice ball with ebunebunu, and we are going to use contemporary and garden eggs as well. So join me in the kitchen as I introduce the stuffs to you. So we have our local rice here, which will be used to prepare the emutu, the rice ball. We have our fresh fish, which we use for the soup. We have our goat meat. Then we have our pepper. We have our shrimp powder. We have our fresh tomatoes, our salt, garlic and ginger, garden eggs, contomere leaves here. Then we have our spices, onion and prekese. This is what we are going to use to prepare our rice ball and our soup. Hello viewers, as you can see, I'm chopping my onion. I'm going to grate it or mash it so that I can use it to steam my meat. So I'm chopping my onions into small cubes. Then this is my ginger as well. I'm chopping it so that I can grind everything together. And then my garlic. Without these three things, you can't steam your meat, because when you steam your meat without these three things, it will be tasteless. So I'm going to grind all of this and add it to my meat for it to steam well. So I'm putting my ingredients into my earthenware bowl so I can grate it and add it to my meat for it to steam well. This is how we do it. You can decide to use your blender, but as we use this for the meantime, since we don't have blender. I want to add my pepper to my grounded garlic and ginger so that I can ground all of them together. So guys, as you can see, my ginger mixed with everything is ready now. So I'm going to pour it into my bowl so I can use it to steam my meat. So now I'm putting it into my bowl. This is what I'm going to use to steam my meat. Since I don't have blender here, I used the earthenware bowl to mash everything. So I'm going to light my charcoal that will be used to steam my meat. Here we don't have access to the gas and other stuff. We use charcoal or firewood as our source of energy or something. So as you can see, I have set my fire that I'll use to steam my meat. So now I am pouring my meat into the water. I can wash it very nicely and put it into my saucepan. I will then add my fresh fish. So now I'm pouring water on my fresh fish so that I'll wash it and add it to my meat. So now I am putting my saucepan on the fire, and then I'll add my seasonings to it. So now I'm going to add my seasoning to my meat. This was my grounded pepper, garlic and ginger, and this is my shrimp powder too as well. I'm adding my spices to it. I'll then add my salt, a bit of salt to the meat for it to taste well. I'll cover it for some time. So now as you can see, I'm washing my garden eggs and my contumely leaves as well. So I'm adding it to my hot water. So guys, I'm going to wash my fresh tomatoes, chop it and grind it, add it to my steamed meat. I'm done grinding my tomatoes. So I'm going to add it to my steamed meat on fire right now. So I'm collecting my grounded tomatoes, which is the fresh one. I'm going to add it to my steamed meat. So I'm going to add my grounded tomato to it. So as you can see, the meat is already steaming, so I'm going to cover it for a while before I come and stir it. So guys, I can see now my garlic, eggs and contumely is ready. I'm taking it out from the fire. So this is our pot for the rice bowl. I'm going to add water to it and cover it. So now as you can see, my garden eggs and contumely is now ready. With my now grind it and add it to my steamed meat. Berries. I didn't pour my stock away because I will need it to prepare the soup. So I'm going to add my stock to my grounded contumely and the garden eggs. so I can use it for the soup. So now I'm going to open my steamed meat. I'm going to pour my turkey berries and my garden eggs into it. So now, because my rice is a local rice, I will therefore wash it before transferring it straight away to my hot water or my boiled water. So I'm pouring it inside. Now wash it. Well. So I'll cover it and leave it to boil. So now it is ready. So I'm going to mold them and put it in my Eddyware bowl. Hello guys, as you can see, we are done preparing our food, and here we have our Consumers Association here. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments in the comment section. I'm going to serve my food, so stay back and watch us eat. I'm fetching my soup. As you can see, this is some of the meat we use. I told you guys we used fresh fish and meat. So this is our soup. This soup will be very delicious, as you can see. You can try this in your various homes.
Well, welcome back once again to Iggy Angle. Today we are taking you to a different and a special cuisine. Yes. Today we have our rice bowl. Yes, rice bowl and our soup, and we have a diversity of meat here. We have our fresh fish, yes, and then we have our goat meat. So I believe most of you who started watching from the onset, you saw how the procedure went, how our dear sister prepared everything. Yes, it's very healthy. Putting its deliciousness aside, it's very healthy. Yes, it comes along with a whole lot of health benefits. So we urge you to stay tuned as we are about to consume our food, like we always say, Consumers Association. Yes, the family is seated, as you can see. We are more than ever ready to consume everything. So, wow, family. You see, I keep on saying this all the time, that when you go to the operation room, the doctors, they don't talk. Yes, that is when they are operating, they don't talk. So if you see that we are not talking, you should understand. Yes, of course, men at work. Men at work. Our brothers here, they are really enjoying every bit of the food. Yes, they are, like I said earlier on, they are enjoying themselves. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Be with us as we consume our food. Yes, our specially made food. Iggy Angle.
Subscribe. So as you can see, the Consumers Association are continuing their food. If you want to travel all the way to this place, you can join us to eat the food. And don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much.
No, nothing but you know.
Guys, everything has been done and dusted. Yes, Consumers Association, we have never disappointed this time around again. We've consumed everything. Everything has been consumed. Yes. Before we sign off, yes, I would once again use this opportunity to urge every one of you to recommend the channel to a friend or whoever it could be. Yes, recommend the channel to another friend so that we grow as a family. Yes, we urge you to like the video, you share, and then finally you subscribe to the channel. But then after that, you don't forget to leave a comment. Eagle Eye Angle.
Bye.
Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.